Most people think setting goals is as easy as writing something on paper. Lose weight, make money, be happy. But that's why this is tough. The top 1% do it completely differently and it has nothing to do with motivation. It's not about vision boards, morning routines, or believing in yourself. It's about structure, psychology, and brutal clarity. Because once you understand this, you'll stop setting goals like the average person and start achieving results that look impossible from the outside. They don't set goals, they design systems. The average person sets a goal, the top 1%, they design the process to hit that goal, then fall in love with the process itself. Like James Clear said in Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. A college dropout named Tom wanted to earn 10k a month from YouTube. Instead of writing that on paper every day, he asked, what's the daily system that guarantees this result? He broke it into inputs, one video a week, high retention editing, one thumbnail test a day, and tracking CTR like his life depended on it. He hit his goal in 10 months without manifesting, just execution. Their goals are anti-motivational. This sounds insane, but hear me out. Top performers set boring goals, goals that don't rely on motivation at all. They don't care if they are in the mood, they care if it's measurable, doable, and non negotiable. They turn goals into habits that don't feel optional. In a Harvard Business Review study, people who set implementation intentions, I will do X at Y time in Z place, were 90% more likely to follow through. They reverse engineer backwards, not forwards. Most people say I want to 100k, but never ask how does someone actually earn 100k? What does their day look like? What skills do they master? What failures do they repeat until they succeed? Top 1% don't fantasize about goals. They dissect the real world mechanics behind them. And here's a quote from Alex Hormozzi. You don't deserve a six-figure income unless you can do six-figure work. Harsh truth, but that's why it works. They stack goals, not just chase one. Setting one goal makes you fragile because if it fails, you spiral. High achievers build redundant goal stacks. Health goals support their energy. Social goals build connection. Skill goals feed their main money goal. It's like building a house with multiple supports. If one collapses, the structure holds. For example, a freelancer named Riha didn't just set an income goal. She built a goal ecosystem. Daily workouts for mental sharpness, call DMs for business, one course a week to sharper skills. All are interconnected. She didn't just hit her income target, she became anti-fragile. They kill the old identity first. This is the most brutal shift, but the most powerful. Every new goal requires the death of an old version of you, and most people aren't willing to let that go. Real talk, you can't become a full-time creator if you're still clinging to the identity of just a student. You can't become confident if you still play the role of shy kid. The top 1% don't just set goals, they set fire to who they used to be, and that's what makes the shift permanent. Now think back, you probably set goals before and failed, not because you were lazy, but because you didn't notice. You were playing by the wrong rulebook, but now you have a new system, one built on structure, identity, emotional leverage, and anti-fragile stacking. So the question is, who will you become if you apply this today? If this hit you different, you are not alone. This video was designed to trigger mental rewiring, but it's just part one. To fully transform, watch this full playlist right here. And don't forget to subscribe if you are done setting goals that don't work and ready to build the one that actually wins.